Alright, where are we?
Dal-Rich Town Center.
Dal-Rich Town Center. Let's go
For
ahead.
Dal-Rich Town Center, you have to wait 10 seconds for it to wake up. It does work. That's not original. This is a Dallas code.
What is?
To replace square callback with a circle ones for some reason. It's
Look at the elevator before you leave.
Wait. It's waking up.
Oh,
Wow.
this is nice.
Let's
Wait.
here.
Yep, go up to 2.
Listen to it.
The lantern does work barely. You can see it just trying to light up. See when I press the bumper, watch what it will do when it fully opens.
Oh, yep, we tried.
Oh yeah, and of course while US indicators you can press it.
Yep.
This elevator is interesting, though.
It's a nice one. It's actually in really nice shape for a US of all things.
It's got a mirror in the back. What's in there?
Just a phone.
Let's listen to this again.
Here, I wanted to see something. Don't press up yet. Oh, you did. Yeah, look.
Oh look, the down.
Yeah, the down lights up.
They're wired to the buttons.
That's cool.
Very simple controller.
Let's listen to it again.
And notice one small little thing with the fixtures. That is a different font. I like how US like used a really fancy font with these. Looks very 70s. This is not the original cab, but it used to be all green.
This is a neat elevator.
It's really nice for a US.
Takes a little while to open. That's make up its mind.
The machine might be
Look, I pressed. Look at that.
Check it.
It's in for like.
Look at that. That's cool.
Dang it. Oh. No. Well, anyways, that's it for this US.
All right, let's watch it close up.
Here it goes. And look. That's it.
That'll be it.